Today, we're going to be going over this n8n workflow right here, which is literally an AI personal assistant. And this personal assistant is going to be able to access your calendars, your emails, and also is going to be able to answer any question you have. And this personal assistant is going to be used inside of Telegram. And I'll show you guys the functionality of it. And it's actually super duper helpful. And real quick, if you guys want this workflow template, then press the first link in the description down below. Then join the automators today, and you'll have access to all my templates from all my videos. Well, let me show you guys how this works. So to start off, if we go over here to the processing Telegram request section, we have it connected to Telegram. And when we send a voice message in, it's going to analyze it right here. It's going to see if it's a text message or a voice message. And if it's a voice message or a text message, it's going to get the file and then turn it into the text so the AI can read it. And after the AI reads that, Anna, our AI assistant, is going to either answer the question in ChatGPT, it's going to read through all of our emails to summarize our emails, or it's going to tell us what's on our calendar for today. And after Anna's done that, it's going to respond back in the Telegram. So this AI assistant is actually super duper cool, guys. And it's super duper helpful and it's easy to set up. But to start off, let me show you guys what tools you need. You're going to need a Google account. So if you have Google Calendar, this is good. And you also need OpenAI for ChatGPT. And here, let me show you guys how to set this up now. All right, guys, to start off, what you're going to want to do, if you don't want to build this all out, is join my group called the Automators. We have this workflow template in there for you guys to just easily drag and paste into the workflow. So to import it, go up here and then press import from file, and then just import the JSON file into the workflow. And now that it's imported, I'll show you guys how to set it all up. It's actually pretty simple. We'll start with Telegram right here. So first off, you guys are going to need a Telegram account, and you're also going to need to create a Telegram bot. And it's actually super simple. I thought it was going to be hard, but it actually isn't. So open up Telegram right now, and here's my bot. I was already using it, so I know it actually works. And then, guys, you want to go over here to the top and search for bot father. And it should be this verified one right here. And once we're in here, guys, we can create our bot. And to do that, it's actually super simple. All you got to do is type /new bot and then send it in the chat right now. And it said, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. And I'm just going to say personal assistant test with a bunch of T's _ bot. And guys, make sure you have _ bot at the end of your bot's name, because if you don't, then it won't actually create the bot for you. So we're just going to type that right now. It says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. And okay, that was actually just a name. But guys, so for the name, you guys can name it whatever you want. But for the username, it has to have _ bot at the end. So we'll send that right now. It says, congrats, your new bot is done. And now that your bot's done, we aren't finished yet. We got to type this command right now, /token. And guys, do not share this token with anyone, because if you do, they'll be able to access your bot and hack it. So type /token. And then down here, select the bot that you need the token for. And after that's done, you want to copy it right there. I'm going to have it blurred, and then minimize and head back to Telegram in the n8n section where it says access token. This is where you want to paste it in, just like so. So paste it in like that and then save it. And it said testing. All right, perfect. The test is completed. So I have it right here. The Telegram account is now connected. So you can exit out right now and then double click on this Telegram file. And it should automatically connect to the account that you just created. And now we got to connect a few more things. So we got to connect Google, and we also got to connect ChatGPT. But real quick, go to the output and double click on this Telegram right here, just like that. And then you can minimize that again. And that should be completed. And now we're going to set up the OpenAI, which is actually super simple as well. So guys, head to this website right here called platform.openai.com. You may have to create an account if you don't already have one. Once your account's created, head over to the billing section and add about $10 or so, because every few times we use this bot, it's going to spend like 1 cent. So add $10 right here, guys. Press this add to credit balance button. And after you did that, go over here to the left side and click API keys. And now go to the top right. My head's actually blocking it, but go to the top right and press create new secret key. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it TG for Telegram, and then select a new project. You may have to create a new project if you don't already have one. And now press create a secret key. And guys, once again, do not share this key with anyone. Honestly, don't share any of your keys with anyone, because if they get this, they'll be able to hack all your stuff. And I do not want that happening to you. So generate your secret key right now and then copy it and head back to n8n. Now that you have that, double click on here and then press add new credentials, and then just type in your API key right here. And I already have one, so I'm not going to save it, but guys, go up here to the top right and save it. And now that that's done, it's time to connect your emails. So go up here and then press create new credential, and then press sign in with Google. And then you're going to have to sign into your account, guys. For example, I'll choose this random one and then press allow and then select all and then press continue. And after you do that, make sure to press save. And guys, we fully set up the bot now. So now it's time to test it to see if it actually works. So go up here to the top right and then activate the workflow just like that. Now let's test out our new AI assistant. And guys, real quick, right before we start that, go down here to your calendar, then double click on it. And if it says some placeholder name here, click on that and then change it to your email. And now when you're on your bot, guys, there should be a button down below that says start. So press that, then you should be able to use your bot. Now that we're able to use the bot, let's just hold down the microphone real quick and let's say, do I have any upcoming calendar events today? And our personal assistant should send it over right now. And it says you have one upcoming calendar event for today. Happy birthday. I guess today's my birthday, guys. And I'm also going to say, can you list me all the events that happened today on my calendar? And it said, here are the events that occurred today on your calendar. And it lists the date. And it said, at 4:00 a.m., I ate at McDonald's. And second, I had a cookout with the boys. And 3, I talked with a client. And 4, I did some AI stuff. So the calendar event works, but now let's make it summarize our emails. So let's go down here and let's hold on the microphone. And guys, this also works on mobile. And let's say, can you summarize my 5 most recent emails? And our personal assistant bot should be able to summarize the recent emails. And here are your most recent emails, excluding promotional emails. And it said, Google sent me an email about my n8n access to my accounts. And then this guy, MongoDB, has some resources for me. And then also Bolt.new actually sent me an email. And then this website called DHgate sent me an email as well. It said, let me know if you need anything else. Now our personal assistant can send us our emails. And also, guys, our personal assistant's actually the smartest person in the whole entire world. Like, I could ask it any question and it could answer it. So let's ask our personal assistant what happened 10 years ago today. And let's send that. And then our personal assistant's going to tell us. And after this, we're going to send it a math equation. I guarantee it's going to be able to answer that as well. And 10 years ago today, on June 17th, 2015, very significant events occurred. And then all the stuff occurred down here. But now, guys, I'm going to ask it a math equation. What is 69,000 times 10,000 plus 23 times 10 billion? And honestly, if it could answer that, this is the smartest assistant in the whole entire world. And it said to calculate 69,000 times 10,000 plus 23 times 10 billion. It did all the math, and this is the result. I don't know what that number is, and maybe in the trillions or something, but it says 23690 0000000. And guys, just like that, we created a new AI personal assistant that is the smartest assistant in the whole entire world. And if you want this workflow template, then you can join the automators today. First, link in the description down below and get access to all of my templates, guys. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.